Nigeria! Abba, my friend, where you dey go now?
Me too no know. I just dey go.
Nigeria. Wetin be your problem, sir?
Okay. You wan see my problem? Make I show you.
No show me, oh. No show me.
See, as you see me so, my problem plenty oh. I dey kill well. I dey steal, I dey bomb, I dey embezzle. In fact, I dey rape, wobi, I dey kidnap. E dey my blood.
Oh, Nigeria, wetin we go do now?
My friend, you see, constitutional amendment can never solve my problem. If they change my constitution million times, I go still dey kampe because my wahala dey my blood. Na true I dey talk oh.
But my friend, Nigeria, as you dey talk to me politely, I want you to give me a solution to you now. Give me, wetin we go do?
Okay. You this man, you too get wahala oh. You wan know wetin you go do? Okay, na only 3 paracetamol I need, and e dey my national pledge to be faithful, 1, loyal, 2, and honest. No batan.
But Nigeria, where you dey go now?
I never know. Abi make I bomb you before I go.
No do that, oh. No do that, Nigeria. No do that. Please.
Then leave me. Make I dey go. Make I dey go. Just dey go.
Nigeria, orí ẹ̀ á gbé ọ débi ire o.